Show your whipping cream. Gang! Hello everybody! Welcome back to Mondays with Marina. My name is Marina and I post every single Monday and sometimes Friday. I promise. 2020, I'm trying to get better. I'm gonna post every Monday like I said I am, but also turn on post notifications because just in case I'm feeling extra on my grind, then you might get another video. No promises. Anyways, today I'm gonna be doing a huge closet makeover clean out. Maya and my dad were in Cali for a week, so I just decided that I was gonna go see them since I live in Las Vegas and it's right there. And while I was on that trip, I realized that I had such an easy and fun time picking out outfits in the morning because I packed 5 outfits, but then throughout the trip, I was kind of just like mixing and matching different things and it was so easy. And then I come back here and I feel like I have nothing to wear. I knew for a while that I wanted to clean out my closet. I don't know what my problem is, but I feel like every single time I walk into my closet, I feel cluttered. Like I don't know where anything is. I have clothes that I don't even know exist, or some things don't even fit me right. So yes, we're going on a cleaning spree today. Also, I was gonna do this anyways, and I might as well turn this in. Also, I'm gonna be doing this anyway, so I might as well turn this into a fun, cute video. So, this is my current situation. I literally just did a video organizing this, but then I realized I actually need to throw shit away. I have a whole bunch of tops categorized by color, dresses, belts down there. I have jackets all along here, and then like cardigans and like outer layer stuff. And also, let's not forget these 3 piles of clothes and ones that are already in the wash. They're a mix of mine and Diego's, so. And these are clean and those are also clean. I just have to put them away and I'm like really lazy, so. And I have to put away my entire luggage from the trip to California. Sweaters all along here. Like what the fuck is this? I'm sorry, but I don't know who I was trying to be. Anyways, that leads me to my next point. So my style is definitely changing. Dare I say, I'm getting older. But yeah, I don't really vibe with a lot of these pieces anymore. My style is slightly changing. Like, I used to love thrifting and buying thrifty items. And I would scroll on Depop for hours and I'd be like, ooh, this is so cute. Like, I love me the striped collared dad shirts. And obviously, if this is your style, I'm not trying to offend you, but like, it's just not me anymore. I noticed that I would go out and I would buy all of these clothes, but then I would never actually wear it. Yeah, I thought it was cute to look at. But I felt like a little boy every time I would step outside my house. And I kind of just realized that I felt the most confident in super girly outfits, like cute little dresses with some Converse, or like body tight dresses, or like freaking crop tops. I'm sorry, I'm hoe. I just like that shit. I love the brandy aesthetic for like casual everyday wear, but then I also like insta baddie outfits. And yeah, I don't know, it feels good. It feels good to finally know who I am as a person. She's adulting. She's a woman. She has her style figured out. But yeah, so the plan of the action. Everything that I'm going to be donating is going to be on the right. And instead of selling my clothes, I'm going to be giving all of them to my sisters. You're welcome. Normally, if I'm getting rid of a bunch of clothes, instead of selling it, I just give them to my sisters because as the older sister, it is my duty to give them my hand-me-downs. And honestly, all of the stuff that I think will sell, my sisters will probably like. So I'm just going to give it to them because I'm just the best sister in the world. I'm going to be going through all of my tops first. She's cute, but I'm probably not going to wear that again. Like you. I've had it for a while and I never reached for it. So therefore, she's gone. I was out of use. Now every day. I don't know what it is about like this shape of halter top, but it does not look good on me. Like this one, like these, so bomb, but this, I just can't. Hella cute, doesn't fit me. Cute, but just never fit me right. Never liked this top. I loved the butterfly trend when it came, then everybody started wearing it and it just ruined it.
Drink a little water, feel a little better. You do what you gotta, babe. We Bring life into your muscles, instinct for a living man. However, there is one thing you're all forgetting. That endless morning will turn to night. And when you're dreaming, you will be seeing a little demon dancing.
Okay, so if we were to push all of these together, I got rid of pretty much that many tops. That was kind of painful. I have like memories attached to some of these pieces. I'm pretty happy about that. And I really like every single one of these. And I can picture myself in multiple different outfits. So yeah, next we're gonna move on to my dresses, which is right there.
Baby, there is only one way, and that's the slow decay. Get a little earthy with me. I'll pull you down like rain. So tired, I can tell from your shade.
Hello everybody, it is the next day. Today we're going to be tackling my jeans. I'm going to be trying every single one of them on. And I'm only going to be keeping them if I really like it and if it fits me perfectly. Not, oh, it could fit me perfectly with a belt, but perfectly. So let's get started. Okay. Yes, these are a yes. I can already tell. These are a no. It's too loose, and also when I walk, it gives me kind of a camel toe. Yeah, no. Also, sorry I'm like flashing my bra. It's just my bra, okay? Oh, but these are Levi's. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love this one. Oh my god, I freaking love this one. What the heck? These are a hell yes. Ew. Why did I ever buy these? These are just a little bit too low-waisted. And they're loose. Those are a no. Okay. Ew. Too low-waisted. These don't compliment me at all. And the legs slap. Ow! What the frick did I just do? There's like a ball in my foot. I can't flex my foot back. Fuck. Ow! Okay, these are a no. Owie. Ow. Oh my god, I can't climb my tippy toes. Okay, this gives me camel toe. Moving on. Yes. This one is a yes. Oh my god. Damn it, if only this was a little bit wider. These are so cute though. This fits so nicely around my butt and my hips. My waist. Only that was just a little bit bigger. Like half an inch would have been fine. And I would have kept you. These are a no. This is a yes. I use this all the time. This is my favorite mom jean. You thought? What the hell? Yeah, these don't even fit over my freaking thighs. Oh my god. Where the hell do I still have that? Misty's skinny ass will fit into this. That's a no. What is this? These are so cute though. Like I loved the fringe, like, distressed hem. It's so cute. And these are Wrangler jeans, but these are too damn big. These will fall off my body. And the last pair. Oh, I already know these. These are a yes. Now we're gonna do sweaters and jackets. Going through my shorts, my pants over here. I have a whole basket of freaking skirts and then more pants. These are so cute, but they don't fit me. So cute, doesn't fit me. Oh my god, I would wear these all the time in high school. So cute, but these could go to my never wore these. Doesn't fit me anymore. Also doesn't fit me anymore. No, doesn't fit me anymore. So these are all of the clothes that I'm going to be giving away to my sisters and donating. Yeah, let's start separating them into their hampers. 2 piles. Donating, sisters. Let's go. Alright guys, the entire floor is clean. I also have a whole bunch of bags up there at the top that I rarely ever use, so I'm gonna be giving those away as well. What's up guys, it's the next day again, but I forgot to show you guys the after of my closet. This is what she looks like now. When I just pan it like this, it doesn't really seem like that much, but these are all of the hangers from all the clothes that I got rid of, and down here all of those, then of course all of the pants, etc. Put all of my bags up there at the top. Next to it, those are all of my bandeau tops. Next to that are all of my bucket hats. Those are pants. I have all of my hoodies, my denim jeans, and then my white, beige, and then my black jeans are gonna go there. Here I'm gonna put dark wash and light wash shorts. I still have those piles of laundry that I need to put away, so yeah, those are gonna go there. And then my sweats, my skirts, kind of organize it like light and then dark, I don't know. And up there is just like shorts that aren't denim, sweaters, and then bigger jackets down there, dresses. And yeah, so last organizing video I kind of just focused on looks. Put the baskets in here, but each bin was honestly way too packed and I couldn't see all of the things that I had, so therefore I didn't even go and look in them. But yeah, I like this a lot better, and yeah, that was a success, I would say. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that it was satisfying, and yeah, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, turn on post notifications. Deuces.